This is an original production of The Gnomes of Wondergarten, with story, music, and performance by Nathaniel Santa Cruz. Let's begin. Chapter 10. Butter and Biscuits.
"Would you like some half and half with your tea?"
asked Thumbkin, holding a small container. What's half and half? Hamilton asked, still holding his cup.
"Half cream, half milk,"
Thumbkin said matter-of-factly.
"I just mixed it this morning."
Hamilton nodded and let Thumbkin pour a bit of half and half into his tea. He added some honey and took a sip.
"Ooh, that really smooths it out, doesn't it?"
said Hamilton, enjoying the flavor.
"Indeed," said Thumbkin, "and we have plenty to go around."
He turned to reveal the abundance of milk they had.
"As a parting gift, Mother Rabbit left us all these vats of fresh milk to enjoy."
"Vats a lot," Hamilton chuckled. "What are you going to do with all that milk?"
"Well," said Thumbkin, "apart from just enjoying it as is, we can make yogurt, cheese, cream, butter."
"All that comes from milk?" asked Hamilton.
"Sure does," Thumbkin replied. He took a nearby vat of milk and opened it up. "This one has been sitting for a few hours. See how it's separated? The top layer is cream. Mix this half with the skim milk below, and you get half and half."
Hamilton took a sip of his tea and nodded.
"Then," continued Thumbkin, "if you take just the cream off the top and churn it, or shake it, it will turn into—"
"Butter?" guessed Hamilton.
"Yes," said Thumbkin, "correct." "Show me," exclaimed Hamilton. So Thumbkin scooped the cream off the top, filled a bucket, and sealed it with a lid that had a long handle in the middle. "This is called a butter churner," he explained. Then he began to demonstrate how to churn the cream into a golden mound. "Churn the butter up and down into a golden mound.
Okay.
Churn the butter round and listen to the sound. Up and down and round, let's listen to the sound. Up and down and round, let's make a golden mound.
Now what?
Wash the butter clean and bright, then press it firm and tight.
Okay.
Make the butter gleam and light and golden to the side. Up and down and round, let's listen to the sound. Up and down and round, let's make a golden mound.
All right.
Pat the butter neat and square into a golden brick. Wrap it tight with love and care into a butter stick. Up and down and round, let's listen to the sound. Up and down and round, let's make a golden mound.
Okay, I think I got it.
"There you have it," said Thumbkin, "a golden mound of butter."
Hamilton, fascinated by the process, wanted to give it a try. So, without delay, the two friends made brick after brick of butter until nearly all the milk was gone.
"I think we have enough to last us the year," said Thumbkin.
Hamilton wiped his brow and nodded. Then looking around, he asked, "So, what do we do with all this leftover stuff?"
"The buttermilk," said Thumbkin. "We can use it to make biscuits," shouted an ecstatic voice. Petty Palm had barged through the front door, unannounced. "And tomorrow, I'm making pancakes."
"Ah," said Hamilton, looking quite satisfied. "That sounds wonderful." Without delay, they cleared the table and spent the rest of the morning mixing fresh butter, flour, and buttermilk into biscuits. Then, after Sister Flame baked them in the oven, Thumbkin stood up and wiped his hands on his apron.
"I think we've made more than enough to share," he said.
They carefully packed up the bricks of golden butter and warm biscuits, wrapping them in cloth and placing them in baskets. Off they went, delivering them to Rudabug, Morrison, Puddlebloom, and the whole host of fairies. Who would have thought so much could be made from milk? Said Hamilton.
One of nature's most prized gifts, said Thumbkin.
And honey, added Petty Pom, drizzling it over a fresh biscuit.
Ah, yes, said Thumbkin.
A garden flowing with milk and honey is a wonderful garden, indeed.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed this story. Be sure to visit us at wondergarten.net or join us on the Wondergarten app. Now, please enjoy some music from this story, performed by Catherine Brunner.
Churn the butter up and down into a golden mound. Churn the butter round and round and listen to the sound. Up and down and round and round. Let's listen to the sound. Up and down and round and round. Let's make a golden mound. Wash the butter clean and bright, then press it firm and tight. Make the butter gleam and light and golden to the sight. Up and down and round, let's listen to the sound. Up and down and round, let's make a golden mound. Pat the butter neat and square into a golden brick. Wrap it tight with loving care into a butter stick. Up and down and round, let's listen to the sound. Up and down and round, let's make a golden